What is up, guys? Welcome back. So I actually got a package a week early from Yamaha, so I think that's my top end rebuilt kit for my YZ450. So let's open it up and see what it is. So this is my parts. I got a cylinder, got a piston and rings. Alright guys, so I'm inspecting this wrist pin, I think right here, and it seems to be in pretty good shape. I did realize that I did not get my head gaskets yet, or any gaskets, so for now I'm just going to put together the piston. Okay guys, I got the valves and everything all together. Now I just need to put this on and time the engine. So guys, I also got an oil change kit for this bike, so let's change the oil filter and the oil and spin the engine over by hand and see what it does. Guys, I got 2 bottles of Yama lube and myself an oil filter. Alright guys, so I just put everything together, timed the bike, added oil, changed all the seals, everything. Now it's the moment of truth. Will it crank? Oh yeah, super smooth. It's even quieter than a Tesla engine. Alright guys, I got this engine completely back together. It's ready to go back in the bike. So let's put it in the bike and start putting everything together. Motor mounts, wiring, and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so I got on all the motor mounts except the top ones. I'm gonna do those last, but right now I'm gonna connect all the wiring, and I just want to make sure this thing cranks still before I continue doing everything else. Okay guys, so I just finished with all the wiring. I'm now gonna put on the gas tank and try to start this thing. So guys, the gas tank is on, the wiring is complete on this side, but before I get too carried away and put gas in this thing and see if it cranks and starts and how it sounds, I can't forget that I need to add that radiator and add coolant still. Last thing I gotta put on before I can try starting is the exhaust. Alright guys, I'm super excited. I did not think it was actually going to start. It took a little bit of cranking, but it runs well, really well. Idles, no weird noises, revs. So right now me and my brother are going to go ahead and put it fully together and take it on a ride. Well guys, this right here was my second heat cycle. Not really going to ride it around too much in this video, but I rebuilt it. Sounds really well, actually runs really well. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Really fun bike. Just how I'm just touching the throttle a little bit feels really powerful. So stay tuned for next video. I might do a review on it. We'll see. Please leave a like and subscribe.